Reducing heat transfer through windows. Old windows have a lot of heat transfer, which can cause costly heating and cooling bills, not to mention feeling uncomfortable in your own home. One great insulated glass that is very popular right now, and it's great for reducing heat transfer, is triple pane. And if you haven't updated your windows in a while, it might be a great idea to think about triple pane replacement windows. However, if window replacements are not quite an option right now, then perhaps some great interior treatments that are sure to be a bit more cost efficient and work great. Cellular shades. Cellular shades were introduced in the late 70s, designed specifically to reduce consumers' energies used by providing an effective window covering. The design in the shades has honeycomb-shaped cells that trap air within their pockets, which provides a layer of insulation. There even exist shades that have two cells rather than one. Drapery. Drapery adds an extra layer of insulation on the top of your choice of blinds or shades. There are also tons of different designs and colors, so they blend with any interior design. Closing the drapes for only part of the day or night can also provide energy-saving benefits. During the summer, using draperies on windows that receive direct daylight can reduce heat by 33%. Colder region drapes can reduce indoor heat loss by as much as 10%. Shutters. Shutters tend to have fewer gaps compared to other window treatments because they are installed tightly to the window's frame. During the colder months, shutters create a barrier to keep warm inside while saving money. Closed shutters in the warmer months block sunlight and the intrusion of hot, humid air. Roman shades. Roman shades are made of thick insulating material, making them another excellent choice for energy efficiency in your home. Tons of different fabrics, colors, and designs of Roman shades, making them versatile and functional. One drawback of the Roman shades is that in order for them to work fully, they must be completely closed. You can choose to add thermal backing with Roman shades for extra energy saving. Being conscious about energy efficiency is not only important for your monthly heating and cooling bills and your comfortability, but it's also beneficial for the planet, with fewer emissions coming from your home. If you have any questions about how to better your home's energy efficiency through exterior treatment, check out our website, 5starrhi.com. 5-Star Roofing and Home Improvement, your local window depot. To schedule a free estimate, call 970-663-3333.